Now here we taken one transcendental equation again, x into log of x to the base 10 minus 1.2 which is equals to 0. So this transcendental equation we can solve by using bisection method. Now initially this is arranged in a proper form. We have to write down this is f of x equal to, write down all the terms in the left hand side. This is already written here. So f of x is equals to this expression. Now we'll first find out the interval where the root lies in this f of x polynomial. Substitute, starting with the first, f of 0 value, x is 0, so minus 1.2 value, f of 1, so this value, again in the log of 1 value it is 0, 1.2, f of 2 value, minus of 0.5979, f of 3 value 0.2314. Now see here negative, negative, and we got here a positive sign, so that we claim here the root lies between 2, 3. So this is our interval. So we got here value of a and b. So value of a it is 2 here, and value of b it is 3 here. This is our assumption. We start with the calculation of first approximation. Now x1 is equals to a plus b upon 2. This is the formula for bisection method. Substitute here a plus b upon 2, and we got here 2.5, first approximate value 2.5. We'll write down here 2.5. Now we'll put here the symbols. For f of 2, symbol is minus, so 2 symbol minus. For 3, positive. Now we have to find out symbol for 2.5. So substitute this 2.5 in the polynomial. In this 2.5 log of 2.5 to the base 10 minus 1.2, and we have that value, it is minus of 0.2051, minus of 0.2051. Now that minus symbol will give for 2.5. Consider two opposite numbers, 2.5, 3. The same sign terms will not consider, the opposite sign terms will consider 2.5 minus and 3 plus. So opposite signs terms we consider. Now next, x2, second approximation. So a value, b value upon 2, and the answer is 2.75. 2.75. Again, to find out the symbol for 2.75, substitute this in the function f of 2.75 into log of 2.75 to the base 10 minus 1.2. The output it is 0.0082. 0.0082. So this is positive. So put here plus sign, positive. Now consider two opposite sign symbol terms, plus minus 2.5 minus 2.75 plus. So this become our next interval. We calculate here third approximation, x3, 2.5 plus 2.75 upon 2 x3 2.625 625. Again put this value in the function f of 2.625. Now see here, while calculating this log to the base 10, we have to use calci mode in radian, and for log to the base 10 we are using calci key log. If we have log to the base e, then we are using calci key ln. So there are two keys on the calci, log and ln. If we have log to the base 10, then we are using log key. If we have log to the base e in the function or in the equation, then we are using ln key from the calci. So while calculating this, you remember f of 2.625 value it is minus 0.0998. We'll go ahead for the next approximation, x4 equal to. So this minus symbol here, again the two opposite terms, 2.625 minus 2.75 plus. So x4 we are discussing, divided by 2, and that x4 value it is 2.6875. Again put this value in the polynomial for finding the symbol for 2.6875. We substituted this value in the polynomial, 2.6875 log of this minus 1.2, and then we have minus of 0.0461. So this minus here, again the two opposite terms in the next line. So we'll discuss here fifth approximation. Divided by 2. So x5 becomes 2.7188. So this we have discussed till 5 approximation. So this is the discussion by using bisection method. The last value we have here, we claim, hence root is 2.7188. So this is the root of given polynomial f of x. Now we can tally our answer again at each step. What value we have calculated? Suppose this value 2.62, it must be in this interval. So each time the value of this column belongs to the corresponding interval. It should not be out of this interval. So this interval, suppose we got here 3.6. So 3.6 is out of this interval. So we cannot conclude this is not correct answer. So each time this value of value in the column must belongs to the corresponding interval. So we can tally like this. So this is discussion of bisection method. So we completed this method.